What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I'm back with some Photoshop template editing. So we're just going to go ahead and open up this template if I can find it. See if it's in my recent. One. Right, so this thumbnail is for, let's see, The Witcher plus new chair. It's got to be capital. Witcher gameplay plus new chair. All right. File, export. Wait, we gotta save as. Save as on your computer. Yes, thank you. Witcher plus new chair. I don't want a PSD. Or I'm a little rusty, as you can tell. All right, so that was just a quick little edit to this thumbnail template that I have. Yeah, I got a few more of these I got to do, so I'm going to wrap this video up and then jump into a new one. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.